What is happening with Kaspa right at this moment? Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be talking about Kaspa once again, and I'm going to be telling you what is currently happening with Kaspa right now. Should we be expecting some really higher price points? Should we be expecting a bear market rally, a bull market rally, consolidation, or what is the overall situation of the crypto markets in general? Because I believe right now we are in a really difficult spot, and a lot of people are saying online that we are in a truly bullish market. However, I beg to differ, and in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly why I think that. So if this is your first time here, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm posting daily videos and I'm going to be posting them once again, so make sure you guys watch the entire video. So now if we jump over to the charts of Kaspa, first of all, I want to show you that we have recently hit a minor pullback towards the downside right over here, as you can see. But I had provided you with intel previously as well that we were going to be having a lot of support at this gray line over here at a price of about 0.137. Now as you can see, the price got closer towards this level and we saw a rejection and a pull towards the upside. Right now we are again trading at about 15 or about 16 cents, which is exactly where we wanted Kaspa to get to. Now don't get me wrong guys, even though I see this move coming in, I still don't believe the strength of this move right now. Because right now what Kaspa needs is not a move towards, let's say, about 0.164 or about 16 cents, but right now Kaspa needs a move, a big move, which can take all the way to about 20 cents or even 24 cents at the bare minimum. Because right now I believe that a lot of resistance and a lot of support levels are coming into play, and this sort of movement is not pretty strong enough to get rid of all the resistance levels above. So in the shorter time frames, I do expect some lows for Kaspa. That is personally my price prediction. Now if you guys ask me, I personally believe the price might be headed towards 11 cents at the lowest. That is personally my price targets. I have set some buy orders at these price levels, so just in case Kaspa goes towards these levels, I will be buying more Kaspa once again. And the truth of the fact is that once you buy in at 11 cents, and if Kaspa reaches 20 or about 22 cents, you have already about 2x your money with Kaspa alone. So this is the power of the crypto altcoins, and this is what people tend to forget. We see some massive movements. I mean, even if we calculate this movement right over here, we have already pumped up by almost 13%. I mean, these are the type of returns which the stock market gives in the entire year, and we have seen these kinds of movement within just a matter of like couple of days. So overall, I truly believe the crypto markets are heading in the right direction. However, we have a lot of factors right now which are affecting the overall market, which I'm going to be explaining you later on in this video. So make sure you guys watch it thoroughly. Now guys, before I move on with the video, I want to tell you about my personal private community, which is also known as the Crypto Cartel. Now Crypto Cartel is my personal private community where I teach people how to make money by trading crypto. We have already generated a lot of money in profits. As you can see, here are some screenshots from some of our latest trades. We got profit of 331%, profits of 517%, profits of 263%, and the list goes on and on. Now once you join the Crypto Cartel, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there is also a chat option where you can chat one-to-one with me and we can discover a lot of different crypto projects. I'm soon also going to be start doing some live streams, so all those members who are part of the Crypto Cartel are going to be getting some special and some exclusive prize to the community. So make sure you guys join up as soon as possible. The link to the Crypto Cartel will be down in the description. Anyways, now let's jump back to the latest news around the crypto markets in general. Well guys, the stock market has not seen a single green day in September yet. Today, including today's drop, the S&P 500 is now down roughly 3.4% this month, and it's only the first week. That's $1.7 trillion of S&P 500 market cap erased so far. Maybe rate cuts aren't what the markets want after all. Now guys, things are looking pretty alarming for the S&P 500 and for the overall markets as well. I mean, as you can see, we haven't really seen any sort of green days in September, but that is not the big thing to look at it. I mean, the big thing in this entire tweet is going to be $1.7 trillion, which has been wiped off completely. It just shows you that people are right now taking profits. People are pulling out their money and selling it as soon as possible. They don't believe in the S&P 500 anymore. They are pulling out their money, investing in somewhere else. And this is overall a bullish sentiment for the crypto markets, because let's say 1.7 trillion gets wiped away, 1.7 trillion gets sucked up into people's wallets, then I believe at least 10 to about 20% of it can be reinvested back into the crypto markets, which can raise the overall crypto markets by about 10 to about 20% in the overall crypto market. So this is some huge parameters which we should be keeping in our minds as well. Now guys, just in, the radar hits has just tweeted that the odds of a recession might be rising, Federal Reserve's goals pay. A lot of people think the recession for the US is coming. Now they have been stalling it for the past couple of years, but I think the time is coming very near to when we are going to be seeing that massive recession coming into place. And this time I believe it is going to be worse than the 2008 depression, or even more than that. Is going to be the worst recession, because the bubble is going to be blowing out, and that is why I believe it is very important to make sure you guys are on the right track as of right now. Also guys, we have some news from Tangem, which is a really good cold wallet system built for you. You can hide your crypto within the Tangem wallet, and they have basically come out with a feature called as the Kaspa network fee, where basically if you want your transaction to be smoother, faster, and you want to have more secure processing, you can just set it at a higher fees level compared to Kaspa, and that way your transactions are going to be going through faster than anyone else's. So it's a pretty good feature which we have seen previously with Ethereum in terms of MetaMask, but this is another feature which Kaspa has now been integrated with, and this is some really cool things. This is only done to avoid transaction delays. We now offer custom fees. So no sort of move has been done by Kaspa over here, only the move by Tangem in order to improve the transaction quality has been done by Tangem. Another thing which I want to cover is going to be from the Bitcoin LFG community. It's the world leading Bitcoin news agency, and they are saying that whales are buying huge amounts of Bitcoin as market crashed. This is exactly what I was talking about. I personally believe some amount of money of the $1.7 trillion which just got wiped away from the S&P 500 is going to be pouring into the overall crypto markets. Now let me tell you why I am saying that is going to be playing a huge role. Right now, the overall market cap for the entire crypto space, now this includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, I mean it includes the entirety of the crypto market right now, is only worth about $1.92 trillion. And $1.7 trillion was just wiped away and sucked into the people's wallets from the S&P 500. I mean, if let's say about 10% gets into the market, that is going to be really beneficial for all the crypto holders and the crypto markets in general. But what if we see about a 50% of that money being pulled into crypto? I mean, that is going to be some next level, and that is the major reason why we are counting on the S&P 500 more crashing. If you check out the fear and greed index, it is also in fear. Right now is a pretty good opportunity to get into the markets if you guys haven't already, because if you guys want to sell over at these green areas and you want to buy at these fear areas, right now is a perfect opportunity to buy into the crypto markets. We haven't really seen this much sort of fear in the markets ever since 2023. So I believe right now is a really good opportunity to get into the markets if you guys want to make some really good amounts of money in the upcoming bull market rally. Another thing which I want to cover is going to be the fear index. Just again, we can see the Bitcoin magazine also saying they are telling you to hodl, but if you guys are newer investors, right now it's a pretty good opportunity to get into the markets if you guys haven't already. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Make sure you guys watch some of my other videos if you guys want to know what kind of videos I make. I make daily Kaspa videos, and if there is any other project out there which you guys want me to cover, make sure you guys comment it down below. I'm soon also going to be start doing some live streams, so make sure you guys tune in for that, and that's going to be really helpful for me as well as for you. As always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.